We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray, man. All right, so I just got home from the guy not buying the car. If y'all haven't watched that video, check that video out. So we had a guy come out, check out the Lexus, and he didn't even look on the inside. We didn't test drive, nothing. He looked at the outside and was like, no, he said, will I take anything less? And I said, no, I got a lot of money in this car. And then he was like, all right, man. And then he shook my hand. He was like, man, I thought it was looking a little better. I know you sent me a video, but, I guess it looked better in the video, I guess. I don't know how, but I showed him everything in the video. But, hey, if it looked better in the video, it looked better in the video. But he took a flight down here, you feel me, to come get the car, you feel me? And he did not buy the car. So, shit, it was cool. I was over there. I had to go over there anyway, you know what I'm saying? But what I learned from this was, well, I knew this. How could I forget this? How could I forget this? People go for the looks first. Remember, I was telling y'all in the other video, like the dents and the dings that kind of may um, steer people away from the car. You feel me? I was talking to a lady who was interested, but I think she was just, the looks. She was like, "Dang, it's a cheap price, but you know, the dents in it is kind of, So I feel people want to look good. You feel me? So that's what I just learned. Cause forget that it got 70,000 miles, and that I got we on Facebook Marketplace right now. Is everything showing up on the screen? Let me make sure. Okay, every car is showing up, pretty much. Let's look at this. A 2016. We can't go by this one, and that's because let me show y'all this. This shit taking a long time to. Okay, there we go. Finally. Okay, let me show y'all this. This is the new one. So this is the 2016. They made mine from like maybe 14 to 15 or something. I don't know for sure. But this is not how mine look. This one has the lights that is different. Like lights go here. You feel me? I'm about to show y'all what mines look like. Just show y'all the difference real quick. So this is an old one. This is the 13, so it might be go from like 13 to 15. So this is mine. So we can kind of go by what this one look like. And we about to look at price. We about to compare prices and everything, and I'm about to show y'all what I mean by where is it? There we go. So this is what mines look like. How much was this joint new? Ooh, $43,000. Base price was 36,000. Y'all see that right there? 43,000 was the base price. So again, see, mines don't cut in like that one do. So look again. So that's this one, right? Look at this one. This is way sharper. I don't know why the fuck my computer going so slow. See, this one way sharper. You feel me? So now y'all can see the difference. But let's look at these prices now, and let's compare the prices. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at this. So we're gonna go by the 13s, 14s, and 15s. We're not gonna count the new body style in, and we're not gonna count the older body style. So this one, we can go ahead and look at that one again. That was a 2013 with 121,000, 22,000 miles for 17.9. I got less miles, and he got his for 17. I got mine way less than 17. Look at this one, a 14. Them got the new Toyota Camry wheels, like from the X, whatever the fast Toyota Camry, the new one is. Those got those wheels. Again, look at the lights. This is the same one as mine. Black, just like mine. 16,500, 144,000 miles. I got less miles. Same interior. People like looks. Forget that my car got 70,000 miles. You know, ain't nothing wrong with it. I drive it every day. I've not driven a GS, y'all. I have not driven a GS at all. At all. I actually gotta go, like I say, I gotta go and start them off. Let's start that joint up. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Same thing. Way cheaper. Way cheaper. Black interior. I like that. Black is always better. But look, 92,000 miles. I got way less miles. Matter of fact, yeah. I got mine for 15. Look at this. Or best offer, 15. Look at this. Same one. 79,000 miles, 18. So, and this or best offer. This one got GPS. I don't know. Mine don't got GPS. Mine don't got GPS. Mine don't got this either. This back curtain. I ain't know. So some of them got different features. So mine don't got the back curtain. Remember that. And mine don't got GPS. But still, we talking about $3,000 cheaper. Let's go. Here go another one. 2017. I mean 2014. $17,800. They interior look busted. Damn, they got hella mass right there. Oh. Okay. Okay. Man, listen. Mine's is cheap. Cheap. But again, people like to see what it look like. People like to people like looks, bro. That's just what it is. People like looks. People like looks, y'all. Let's go into another state. We're gonna go to Birmingham. We're gonna go to Birmingham. We're gonna look at some more states too. We're gonna look at some more states. Okay. 14, 17, 5, 17, 9. So you're looking at about 17, bruh. With one with some decent miles, bro. 17. I mean, people, I definitely, because remember, the GS that I sold, both of the GSs, there go one right there. I missed that brown, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. That brown was hard. The GSs didn't have no body. Oh, that one got that interior. The body damage. So I'm thinking, man, I just gotta, man. First of all, I ain't buying no more expensive cars like that. And then second of all, y'all see what Bruce just bought, right? The Nissan. Shit, I'm going back to the cheap cars. You feel me? They ain't gonna be perfect, but man, they cheap, bro. You feel me? Make a couple $100 and keep it moving. Cause this right here, look at this color on here. This is off topic, but off subject, but look at that color. But that's what I'm learning, man. So what I'm actually about to do, I'm actually probably about to raise the price. What the hell? Look at all this fur. I'm actually probably about to raise the price. I mean, did I raise it already? Cause I had I gotta go back and look and see what I got it on. Cause I had it for high 15, and then I lowered it, still or best offer, right? And yeah, I gotta see if I gotta raise the price back up. Cause people want to feel like they're getting a deal too. You feel me? Let them talk you down, which is really what the number, you know what I'm saying? I won't anyway, but we'll see, man. We'll see. But that's what I done learned, man. People like to see, they want to look good. Fuck with that shit driving. Like, man, that shit pretty, they want it. You feel me? So that's the first thing. So, cause I'm thinking he really concerned about how it drives. You feel me? I already done showed you all the dents in a whole video. You feel me? Interior, exterior, everything. Show him in the whole video because he had to take a flight. But shit, he wasted his time, not mine. But that's what I learned today, man. People like to see stuff that look good. So that's what we gotta do, man. We gotta buy stuff that look decent. Or if it's cheap. Well, shit, this car cheap that I'm trying to sell, and it's still, I don't know, man. But cheap. Cars over 10,000 ain't still cheap. You feel me? So cheap. You feel me? So that's where we at with it, man. And that's what I done learned, man. So we just gonna hold on to it. I gotta go back in my listing real quick and see what I got it priced at, because I'm about to raise the price. Like, if it's not at 15,000 or best offer, I'm probably about to put it. Man, maybe I do 14,000 or best offer, make it look a little better. But you get a lot of people offering 10,000, but I'm like, man, hell no, man. I need a little bit more than that. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going along with, just telling y'all, we all learning together, you feel me? People like to look good. Again, or if you buying cheap cars, which is what I'm about to start going back to, man, it don't matter. Cheap, you feel me? Cheap cars. Cheap, like 5,000 and under. So you see, my boy didn't have no problem buying the other GS, the 07 that had the dents and everything. He got it for a good deal. He bought it, you know what I'm saying? And that had dents in it too. So did it have as many dents as this one? I don't think so, though. I don't think it had as many dents on this one as this one. But still, all in all, man, cars 5, 6, 7,000, I think you can get away with it. When you going into cars 10, 11, 12, 13,000, you gotta look pretty. You feel me? So that's what we learned, man. Even if they're getting a good deal, y'all seen any on here for 10, 12, 11, 10, 11, 12,000, 13,000. Yeah, you do. The 2012, the old body style. There you go, right there. What the fuck is wrong with my computer today, bro? If you want that one, So that's what we learning, man. We gotta make the cars look good. They gotta look good. And for y'all who gonna be like, well, maybe you should fix the car, fix the dents and everything. No. This is how I feel. Me fixing the dents and stuff bring me more money, but I'm gonna have to pay Rich that same money. You feel me? So that's how I feel about it. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think. All comments are welcomed. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think. Yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Man, I appreciate and love y'all for y'all support. Forget the car just being able to drive good and it not having nothing wrong with it. Fuck that. The car gotta look good for people. You feel me? They probably take a car that look good, that need some suspension work. Shit, that's what they might, that's what people might prefer. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out. Peace. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We're going to make it happen.
You already know, man.